I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Open Instagram and go to your profile. Make sure your story archive is enabled so older stories are available. Once done, locate the plus new highlight button or long press an existing highlight to edit. Tap New to open the story selection screen and choose the photo story you want to include. Choose multiple items if needed. This first step gets your content into the highlight editor quickly, so you can focus on arranging and naming your highlight next. Now customize. After selecting the stories, tap next to reach the cover and title screen. You can tap Edit Cover to move the frame, pinch to zoom, or upload a square image from your gallery for a cleaner look. Give the highlight a short, descriptive title so viewers scan quickly. Make sure it reads well on mobile. If you want a specific sequence, reorder stories by deselecting and reselecting or adjust within the highlight editor. Once satisfied, tap Add or Done to save your changes. Finish by tapping Done or Add to publish the highlight to your profile. You should see the cover and title live immediately. To update later, open the highlight, tap More or Edit Highlight, and add or remove archive items. If your chosen picture isn't available, don't panic. Make sure Story Archive was enabled before the story expired, or check that the image was saved to your phone. Once verified, upload to your story and add it to highlights. This resolves the most common issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.